guys, what is up? And today in this video I'll be showing you how to create Pong on Scratch. But first, I think my screen looks a little different. Maybe I broke it. It's blue instead of gray. Not gray, but it's blue. I wonder why. That is because 3.0 is officially on Scratch. It is a very cool update they did. You can now do Scratch on mobile devices, so you can like code instead of just looking at projects. You couldn't even look at projects on devices before. You had to actually go on a computer or have like Adobe. But now you can actually do it without having Adobe. So now that is awesome. But a lot of you might not know how to use it because I didn't know how to use it until like a long time. That's why this video took so long. Well, I should do a video on how to use it so you guys don't take like almost a whole week to figure out how to use this as well, because it took me a long time. But anyway, let's just get into the video. I'm going to stop rambling. Let's get into it. So first, just go ahead down here. You can no longer right click on Scratch Chat, so you gotta click the glorious X button. Beep. Adios. He's gone now. So let's go to backdrops. Now go ahead and keep it on vector if you want. It is a long, complicated process. You gotta like do this, do some fancy whatchamacallit, but just convert to bitmap. It's so much easier and it looks completely the same if you would do it in a vector. Now you can draw other things there, but you can't just have a plain background with this. You gotta have some lava. So you're gonna want to do this. Now go ahead and just find the red. Also, you'll notice this is kind of different now as well. So just go down to the red, or do you like this red or this red? I like this red. I like the green. No, I like the red. Let's go to this. That's dark red. Scary red. The scary red. So go ahead and go onto rectangles. You can go ahead and draw this if you want like bubbles or stuff. But go ahead and just click and drag. Now just kind of pull this over so it pulls the bottom screen. If you don't want an outline, just go ahead and just go click this little line through it. So now there's no more, and then voila, you got yourself glorious lava. So let's go over to your code. Now go ahead and you're gonna want two sprites for this. First, you're gonna want choose a sprite. You're gonna go over to paint. So we're just gonna make a ball. So we're going to want to make a green. You can go ahead and make it whatever color you would like, whatever goes with your backdrop nicely. But then I'm going to pick a black, which I don't want to do because who uses black? You guys might, but I don't like black. Black, boring. So I'm going to use a blue, so green and blue. So just going to click and drag. See how cool that looks? Much better than some black and green. Okay, now you get your Pong ball. You might want to shrink it a little so it's easier to bounce around. So just go ahead and put it right there. Just go ahead and drag it around. Now you're good. Now you have your first sprite. Now we'll go ahead and get into the coding of this ball in a minute. But first, we're just going to want to go and paint another sprite. So go ahead and just click the line filter. I'm just going to make a blue. Just a straight blue. I don't want colors for this, so just go ahead and go blue. Now, I think that's a little too thin for me, so no. I'll go ahead and just change the size of this right here. So let's go with a nice 6. So then drag. Is that perfect? Perfecto. Okay, now go ahead and drag this down here. It'll do it by itself in a minute, but just go ahead and drag it there in the meantime. Now you have everything set. Now what should I code first? Decisions. Now I'm just gonna code the ball first, so then the sprite should work. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to go under events, which this is completely different because events used to be what the control is, and control is events now, so kind of hard to fast. So go ahead and grab when green flag clicked, go ahead and right click, clean up blocks, does no longer work, so you're going to do it by yourself, twitch. So go ahead, when green flag clicked, you're going to go under control, if blank, then drag that there. See, still doesn't work. My reflex is to go and it won't let me. And then you're gonna go under sensing, then go if touching color red, you're gonna want to do something. So if you're gonna touch the color, you're gonna go over to, if you can go do this, fill the color. Now to go ahead and click this color. It's a very cool little big thing now. So now it's touching color red. Something's going to happen. It's going to run this code in here. So you want it to happen. You're going to want to broadcast, which I did in the previous video. If you would like to learn how to do that, I will link the video to that in the description. Go under control. Wait, what? It's not under here. It's not under variables, but where is it? It is now under events. This is very confusing. I couldn't find it forever. It took me forever to find it. So you're gonna go broadcast, not broadcast. I don't know what that means. New message. You can do whatever kind of message you want. Nobody will see it unless they come inside. I'm just gonna call this game over. Okay, now broadcast game over. Nothing happens. Oh no, what happened? Is our code wrong? Nope, just broadcast. You gotta do it. So you're gonna wanna make a new sprite actually. You're gonna wanna call this one game over. I'm just gonna make it in let's see, how about a blue or a green? Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. I'll go with the blue. So you're gonna go into text and then you're just gonna write game over. Over. Exclamation points, big, big, big. Okay. Then you're gonna click off of it, and then now you can stretch it so you can make it huge or you can make it small. I'm gonna make it about this size. And then drag it to the center, put it right here, game over. Now you can also do, now you're gonna do when I receive game over. You're gonna go show, and then stop all. So it's not under events. Once again, it is now under control. You can also scroll through all of these. You do not have to click it unless it's like something way down here. I don't know if you want to go all the way down there. Let's go ahead and up here. You're going to want to go stop all. So here's the top, and you can scroll all the way down to control. You're going to go stop all. Now it'll stop it, and then it says game over, can't do anymore. If you want, you can make a cool background and stuff, but for now I'm just going to leave it like this. Now this is code's all done, but when I click the green flag, it's still here. Why isn't it going away? That is because we have nothing telling it to not show up. You're going to want to go back under events, then do when green flag clicked, hide. Hide, hide, hide. Go ahead. Cleanup blocks does work, but you have to have multiple scripts. There you go. It is kind of weird, so you can zoom out if you want. There you go. But depending on what you want to do. So now, this script is complete. The sprite can work officially now. It's gone. Magic. Okay. Now you're going to want to go to the line, or the paddle, whatever you would like to call it. So the paddle, it can move. What you're going to do is, when green flag clicked, first actually go ahead and go to YX, so then it stays down there when it starts. And then now go down and get when green flag clicked. You're gonna go to this, go to X54, Y -7. Can't click clean up. My reflex is seriously my fingers. Hello, click, 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 click. But anyway, that is what you're going to do. So you're going to want to go now. Now, it's still not working. It's just sitting here. So what you want to do is you're going to want to go over to when set X to -187. Now, it's just staying here. I don't know why it's not working. One, there's two reasons. Because one, if you wrap it in a forever, now it should be working. But it's just not, still not working. It's so sad. But that is just super simple to fix. You just want to go set X to mouse X. So now when you clean it up, if I could, but I can't clean it to get it, do it myself. Twitch, twitch, twitch. So now look, it moves. Now that is pretty much it for this one, because all you're doing is this. Since this moves back, forth, back, forth, back. So now what you can do is go over to your green ball, or whatever color you picked, your sprite. So you're going to go over to your sprite, and now it just has, if this touching color, then broadcast game over. But what we need to do is, when green flag clicked, again, there's a lot of green flag click, just one of my common ones I use, because it doesn't work, nothing works without it. You're going to want to go over to control now, and grab the forever block. When green flag clicked, forever, I don't want to do that. That's what I clicked undo. You're going to want to go to you're gonna want it to go. So if you want it to pop up somewhere, I'm just gonna have it like pop up here. It should fix. You're gonna go to 22y45. Well, x22y45. You know what I mean? Okay. Now you're gonna want to go over to the forever now. I used it too soon. You're gonna go forever. Now you're gonna go if on edge bounce. So this is telling it if the ball, because the ball has to bounce around, otherwise it'll just go off the screen. You're gonna go if on edge bounce, and then move 15 steps. So 15 steps. You can use 10 if you want, but I prefer, see now it's bouncing on edge and it's moving 10 steps and it's moving like that. But it's not going up and down like we want. So you're first just gonna try to drag this out so it doesn't do this. Then just go ahead and write 15. Then drag it back in, otherwise your sprite will start working. Again, so you're just gonna go right, and it's gonna keep bouncing. You would try to stop it, but it's not coming down here, it's just staying up there. That is because there is nothing telling it to move up and down. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to put point and direction 45. So there should be a thing in here that says point and direction, but it says 90. So what you're gonna want to do is gonna put 45. Although it should point like that, and you can make this move if you want, but I'm just gonna go with 45. Go ahead and put it 45. Now it should start bouncing like that. But see, look, it doesn't stop when it touches that color. Why is that? Because it's just not checking this. When the green flag clicked, it's not touching it. So you have to loop it in a forever block. Now, up, unless you only have one, which would be so sad. Then now it should work. Now it says game over. It just stopped it. But we're gonna try to stop it with the paddle. So we're not getting to it. It's not working. Why is it not working? Because there's nothing telling it to stop when it touches that color. So what you're gonna do, when green flag clicked, forever, if touching color, what color is the paddle? The color of the paddle is blue. So you're gonna do if touching color blue. So you're gonna go if touching color. Pick this. Then we're gonna go the blue. If touching color blue, then we're gonna want to do something. We are going to want to go over to a pick random block. Now, you cannot place these in here, you can only place them there. So you're just going to want to put 160 to 200. But we can't put it anywhere. How's it going to work? You're going to want to pick turn block. So motion and sensing look very familiar. I keep wanting to click sensing, but we need to click motion. You're going to want to trick turn something degrees. So pick random degrees. Then move 15 steps. Again, but you can use 10 if you used 10 previously. This is just because I used 15. Go ahead and use as many steps as you want. Now double click it, and then now it's like Pong. The circle might be a little big, so let's go ahead and shrink the circle a little. Let's go ahead. There we go. Now, go ahead and, I don't know why, but it's like being finicky or something new maybe. But now it should bounce like that. And then, but sometimes it glitches through this paddle, so you gotta make a paddle a little thicker. I don't know why it does this. If you guys know, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. You gotta make the paddle thicker. I don't know why it does this. It's very annoying. Like the code, it's supposed to work. So you're just gonna wanna shrink this down. And what you're gonna do, you gotta make it thicker. So there's no way to actually make a line thicker. So we're just gonna delete this line. And then just draw a new one that's thicker. So we're just going to draw one that has 10 thickness. I'm very sorry about this. I don't know why it keeps doing this. You got to make it about 10 thick. Now this should work better. I don't know why it just glitches through the paddle. You can do that or shrink down the lava, or you can do both so it works better. Make sure to save your project. Now it still sometimes does that, but I don't know why it's doing that. It should fix. Maybe it's a new 3.0 glitch. I'm not sure. Let me see here. Maybe if I shrink the lava down a little. Okay, now it should work. There we go. It's got to shrink down your lava and make your paddle thicker. I don't know why it was doing that. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took forever, way longer than I expected. But I really, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps my channel grow. Also, don't forget to check me out on Scratch. My username is DisneyGirl0727. I really, guys, hope you enjoyed. Now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.